viewers, JJ the trucker coming to you from Lake Mead again. Sorry for this wind. We are driving. We are driving from the top of the houseboat. I don't know if you can hear anything I'm saying at all. Sorry if you can't. That's my brother at the wheel. And we are going in Lake Mead, literally on the Colorado River right now in the canyons. Man, the view is spectacular out here. It's not really a windy day, it's just, you know, we're moving. So, man, I've got some great drone footage. We were chasing the drone, had the drone chasing the boat. That was really cool. So, without further ado, I'm just going to switch over to there so you don't have to deal with this wind noise anymore. Alright, say hi. Everybody on YouTube, say hi. Alright, off to the drone footage. Alright, I'm going to test out, see how the audio works on the controller. I'm going to go in sport mode. Nice and fast. There we go. Check this out. Wow, look at that. Woo-wee! Oh, that is awesome. Those are porta potties, by the way. Yes, they are. But man, look at the colors. The colors here. From the water to the bathering line. Ah, to the sunset on the hills. Check that out.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Ooh, I'm at 400 feet. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. There we go. Let's go ahead and bring her back down. I don't know who that is. They're in a different cove. I'm going to go back into standard mode here. Oh, we got a speedboat with them and everything.
Low battery warning.
Oh, I just got a low battery warning. Time to come back home. I love this return to home feature. It's going to come home automatically. There we are. No, drone's coming back on its own. There it is, right there.
Landing.
And look what we found. Whole family of them.
Into the water.
Yeah, but it's fertilizer. Because they only eat.
They were coming down into the water, drinking, checking us out.
I can see.
I hope this isn't too blurry.
I can see.
Yeah, they're mooning us now.
Okay.
Let's eat, guys, while we show their butts.
We already posted plenty for you.
There's the daddy, the bighorn.
Okay, be still.
It's the whole family. It's a different family than before. Got a different big one. Look at that. He's just standing watching everybody, making sure they're all safe while they're drinking water.
The alpha isn't as big as the other ones.
Yep. Alright, we're back to the fishes now. And man, just tossing that bread in, look at that. Look how many there are. And us without a fishing rod. Man. How cool is that? Anyways, that's vacation for you. Vacation life, loving it. Talk to y'all later. Feeding the fishes. Not the mafia way.